Friday at 5.
I mean, if I send a message at 4 in the morning, then I don't expect you to answer right away. But that's just how I like to express it initially, is through text messaging. But you know, I'm an advocate for communication. So I'm with it because I feel like you can't have a relationship, a successful one, if you don't communicate with your partner.
Now, and I would say every week, that's a little excessive. Maybe like every month.
Okay.
Every week.
So I'm gonna hold my problems to the end of the month.
But I mean, if you sitting at these little red table talks, you're learning effective communication. So you're applying that communication throughout the weeks until the next. You know what I'm saying? Or like, no, I just feel like a week. That's like a lot.
How long should this be going on? Like
an hour,
years? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's the ultimate goal of it? Is it something that should just like?
I don't know. See, I didn't think that far into it.
No, I feel like it should, you know, I mean, it should last as long as it needs to last in order for the relationship to continue. So if it's something that you implement in your relationship, I think it should last until whenever. I think if you force a communication, whereas no matter what, Friday at a certain time frame, I just say Friday, but at a certain time that we all talking, I guess it forces you to be just open and real with no, you know what I mean, without holding back.
So, like, what if, you know, Friday comes around and you ain't did nothing to piss me off all week, which is unlikely, but, you know, we just be like...
It don't have to last. That meeting don't have to last. It could be a 2-minute meeting or 1-minute
like
meeting.
you did a good job this week.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Y'all could be
Gold star for you.
Yeah, you get to fuck at that time as well too. That could be time for y'all to, you know what I'm saying, do your thing.
Celebratory fuck.
Making appointments to have sex.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna do that anyway.
Could be happy
Whether
hour.
the red table
That shouldn't be
good or bad.
Yeah, that shouldn't be an appointment though. we didn't have sex on Friday. Like, that's some sucker shit right there.
It's gonna either be some, oh yeah, you did a good job, let's fuck, or I hate you, let's fuck.
Okay.
Fuck it out. Either way.
Okay, all right. So, I got a life.
So she doesn't get physical in a sense, whereas, you know what I mean, you ain't putting no hands on anybody.
I mean, no.
That's not effective communication. That's not effective communication right there.
I wouldn't unless like shit went really left. Like if they put their hands on me or something, then you know. But I don't feel like I would throw the first. You know.
See, if you throw, if the hands get involved, you disqualify. You gotta go.
Disqualified.
Yeah, you gotta go.
You gotta go.
The relationship ends.
What if
right
y'all
there.
married?
They could end too. But what I'm saying is y'all shouldn't be putting hands on each other. The purpose of this is not to be like a no holds barred table match.
It can't be wrestling. Yeah.
Nah.
There's no wrestling.
For all of that, go to real counseling.
or YouTube the whole shit and get paid.
I mean, a little razzle dazzle, like. Just
what the fuck is a razzle dazzle? What's it? This is Friday. What the hell's going on? Well, yeah. Oh my God.
I mean, shit happens sometimes. Like, I mean, I'm not saying it should happen every time, but you know, shit just might go a little left. Like, y'all might be arguing about something crazy, like a drink. I don't know. Like, I'm just saying, just a little razzle dazzle every now and then.
I don't think hands should be.
But I don't condone violence.
Right. No hands should be flying nowhere.
Say that.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, that cap. She go in there and throw an elbow.
I don't condone violence. The whole Chrisean Rock and Blueface thing is definitely. I don't condone that type of shit.
That's reality. Social media right there. That shit is all staged. All that shit is staged. None of that shit's real.
I don't think so.
No,
it's definitely not, especially not the recent stuff they had going on.
What's the recent?
No, the recent.
Are you talking about
because I feel like this about to be leading to one of the other questions, but I feel like the most recent situation, I don't know if it was staged, but they definitely had cameras, like the camera.
I know, and they had the boom mic, so not staged, right?
Recording.
It could be.
So I don't know for sure. It could have been real, Lord.
Oh, and then the second part when he came with like a rocket launcher fist, and I'm like, so OG got caught slipping. He just happened to be walking, and they just happened to be. Get the
with his back turned like that.
With
Nobody ain't turning your back like that. You might be right.
Come on.
Right. It could be a reality show that they actually coming up with. Too.
I'm all with that.
Yeah,
I'm saying I'm with it. Would y'all do that?
A reality show where what?
Hell yeah. I would love to do a reality show.
Where, you know what I'm saying? You and your boyfriend fighting and all kind of crazy shit.
Yeah.
I mean, listen, if that's the reality,
No, we talking
Oh,
about
well,
if it's
come
staged
on
though.
now.
What if it's
If it's
Stage.
staged,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know because I feel like it's all. I don't know because sometimes any type of publicity, you know, no publicity is. They say no publicity is bad publicity, but a lot of people have done stuff and like their careers have tanked. But it's all about how you work it. So I don't know what I'm really willing to do for like some money. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm willing to do certain storylines for the sake of a reality show, but
You gotta remember, once that's out there, that crazy stuff sticks to your name.
that's true. But
Yeah.
that could be a good or a bad thing. Like,
It could work though. I don't know.
that's what I'm saying. It could work or it could not work. It just depends.
Music, life, love, love.